Hello, the next cocktail I'm going to teach you is a Cosmopolitan, also known as a Cosmo, made famous by such programs as Sex and the City. First of all, you start off with your glass, a martini glass, which is classic cocktail glass, an isopropyl frosting glass, and your martini glass. Just to get a cocktail glass nice and chilled, that way it keeps the drink itself cooled down. Into that, we pour a 50ml measure of vodka and a 3/4 of ice of triple sec. If you're confident enough, you can pour them at the same time, don't be afraid to pour them separately. Cold 2, 3, 4, 5. Into that we add 3 pints of cranberry juice. Cosmopolitan is naturally a salmon pink colour, which you'll see at the end once you squeeze it. Into that we squeeze 3 or 4 lemons, that's lime, just go in one, and then you shake and strain. This method is a classic method used by many cocktails. It just chills the drink down and gives a nice flavour. Then you use your fork on strainer, same before, and strain that into your martini glass. Now this is a bit of a fancy garnish. You get an orange and using a knife cut a very thin sliver. And you will get a small disc-shaped slice of orange, which is about the size of a 2p coin. And taking it between your thumb and your index finger, slightly bend it. And this will be held over a naked flame. Giving it a slight squeeze, we'll get a few sparks. And then give it one big push to get a large flame, and line the glass. And pop it in. And there we have Cosmopolitan.
Hey guys, today we're going to make a mojito, classic Cuban drink. Very simple, although it does take a lot of preparation. We're going to use fresh lime. Today about 2, 3 or 4, depends how citrus tasting you'd like it. Also going to add some brown sugar. And we'll need a muddler. Muddle into the glass, release all the flavours, and dissolve the sugar with the lime. Pour it to muddle very well to release all the flavours. As you can see, that's quite a lot of syrup there. Next we're going to use classic mint. Pre-prepared, plucked, very fresh. If you clap it, it releases the flavours, so all your guests can smell the mint.
Oh, this paperwork.
Also going to muddle that just a little bit, just to release some more flavour. There you go. All your ingredients are prepared. Now, one of the nice things to do is to add a small amount of crushed ice. Before you add your mango rum. Once you've got the rum in there, and the ice, you've got to start churning the drink, which means you're getting all the flavours infused with the liquor. You see what mix? A good thing to do as well is try the drink. If it's too citrus, add some gum. Also sweetens the drink. A little more, and then add the rest of your crushed ice. Top it up with the rest of the rum, at 2 ounces, and a little cap of soda. Nice presentation for this drink is the mint sprig. It's going to place right next to your straw. And there you are, your mojito. Hey guys, how are we doing? Today we're going to be making a daiquiri, one of the classic cocktails. We're going to start off with our martini glass, as we use here at Bacchanalia. We're going to water and ice that down to make it cold, give it a nice frost. Grab our mixing glass, we're going to use fresh limes, as we do here. Get a whole load of them in there. And then we're going to add some gum syrup, which everyone knows is sugar syrup. They're bad for your teeth, obviously. Get some of that in there, very hard to pour. And we're just going to grab our mud lap and we're just going to mash all this up. Just release those lime juices, just get it swimming in there. There we are, as you can see there's loads of lime juice in there now. And then we add our makeover. Around about 2 ounces, 2.5, depends on your customer. Add some ice, shake it up. Sometimes use a little bit of sweet and sour, just to thicken it up a little. Shake that up, give it a really good shake. Strain it off, make sure you get all of it out. Customer's paying for the drink. And what we're going to do is we're going to double strain, which is the full strainer here. Just to shake out our ice. And we're going to tea strain over the martini glass. Just get all those little bits. Beautiful. Top it off, make it look presentable, make it look eye appealing. Stick in a lime on the side. 2 straws. And that, guys, is a daiquiri. Hey guys, how we doing? Today we're going to be making a margarita. First we're going to do is quickly ice down our glass. Get it cold. We're going to grab our mixing glass just there, move that over. As always, using fresh limes, as we do. And because today we're making a Danny special margarita, taught by the great Danny himself, we're going to make it a little bit more sweeter, as Harry likes it. We're going to get some gum in there. Well, a lot of gum in there. There we are. And we're going to mash all that up. We're using the flavours of the limes, mixing it in with the syrup. There we are, perfect. A lot of juices released in there. Today we're going to use traditional Jose Cuervo tequila. There we are, about 1.5 ounces of that. And of course, the margarita would be equal triple sec. Like 3/4 ounces in there. Then our ice to our mixing glass. We have metal shaker tin. We're going to shake that up. Give it a good shake. Make sure all the ingredients are cold. Everything's mixed together. And again, we're going to double strain the cocktail. First thing we have to do, especially if you're at the bar, you need to ask your customers if they want a salt rim. It's a classic icon of this drink. That's what we're going to do. Grab your rimmer. Just dip that in there lightly into the whatever syrup it is. You can use lime, orange wheels are very good. And then I'm going to dab some salt onto the drink. Perfect. Perfect salt in there. Let's carry on with the rest of the drink. We're going to double strain it, as I said, over the glass. There we are, get all the ingredients out. And just to garnish, just to finish it off, I'm going to add the lime wedge. 2 straws. There you go, and that's a Danny special Bacchanalia margarita.